that doesn't put you in the holiday spirit, I don't know what will. Oh my god, I just love a snowy Christmas tree. Love, love, love. So my house has 0 Christmas decorations right now. It's so bare. Like, my shelves are bare, my table is bare, like everything is so bare. I bought this one green blanket on Amazon though because I want to do green. Okay, so let me be real with you guys for a minute. I don't want to do Vlogmas. I'm sorry if that breaks your heart, but last year what did I do? 22, 23 days of Vlogmas, and I will be honest with you, by the end of it I was so freaking miserable from it all. Like, I was so overwhelmed, I was so anxious, and I felt like I was not enjoying my holiday season because all I could think about is, oh my god, I have to get a video up, I have to find something interesting to do. And like, I was like dreading it. Like, after it was over last year, I was like so relieved, but then instantly I started seeing comments from you guys like, oh my god, can't wait for Vlogmas, like literally like 1 week after it was over. So literally since January I've been dreading Vlogmas, and I don't want to dread the holiday season because I love Christmas. So I'm not doing Vlogmas. I will do some holiday vlogs, but I don't want to put that pressure on myself because I just wasn't enjoying Christmas like I thought that I was. But then, like, as soon as I turned the camera off and had to get to editing, I was just always just feeling like, oh my god, what am I gonna do next? What am I gonna do next? Oh my god, I have to get this video edited. Like, I'm not that kind of person. Like, I cannot handle it. Some people can. I'm not one of those people. So I'm sorry if that disappoints you, but I don't want to force a video because like that just makes it not fun for me. And for those of you who don't know, I'm coming up on my 9th year of doing YouTube, and I've only done Vlogmas 2 of those years, and I don't want to burn out. So I'm just being honest with you guys, and I will do some holiday vlogs, don't get me wrong, but I cannot commit to Vlogmas, and I cannot commit to people, you know, being rude to me like for not doing a vlog or for doing a makeup tutorial instead of doing a vlog. Like, it was just getting too much and it wasn't fun anymore. So when it stops being fun, I don't want to do it anymore. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'm done with it. In the words of my boy Aubrey. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the Christmassy coffee that I've been drinking because it's so snowy out. I mean, do you see it? I saw my freaking patio lights up, but very snowy. So this is the crema. This is the almond milk Khalifa mint cocoa creamer. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it actually is like chocolatey, which makes it like really yummy. I use these K-cups. Still using them. I always talk about these, but these beautiful coffee. Wake the hell up. Wake up, San Francisco. So I don't have any Christmas mugs yet because I'm just that behind schedule. So I do a packet of the stevia, and then I just pour like a generous amount of this. Like, I feel like you need like a lot for it to taste like peppermint tea, which is like the only downfall. But it makes it look like a cup of like hot chocolate. I still have these in my coffee in the morning, so redundant, but they're good. They're like little protein brownies. I have them in my coffee in the morning. I just pop them in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Hello. Are you a kitty cat on the back of the couch? Rosie, please get down. Thank you. Alright, so anyways, today I am just gonna go browse for Christmas stuff. I don't want to do anything too extreme this year. I feel like that's just like my whole mood for the holiday season. Like, I don't want to do too much. Like, I want to just be simple, minimal. I don't want any gifts. I told my mom, I'm like, please make a donation in my name. I don't want anything. Like, I feel like now that I'm just like so old, not that I'm like so old, but now that I'm like older, like I just want to enjoy the holidays and not feel stressed out. So that is the mood. So I am not gonna go all out with decorations this year. I don't know, I just want something like minimal and just very like natural, rustic vibe. So I'm gonna see what I can find. Like, maybe I'll put like a few ornaments on the tree if I see ones that I like really like. But I got a flocked tree, so I just love like the simplicity of it. So Jeez, it sounds like somebody's throwing snowballs at my car, but it's just literally the snow falling off the trees because we got so much freaking snow. So, yeah. Alright, so I just got to Target. I've been trying to come to Target and get packaging tape for like, I don't know, weeks. I keep forgetting because I have packages that I need to mail out. And I have provolone cheese. This is provolone cheese. I'm eating a sub down here. Jimmy John's. They even got holiday wrapping. Very, very spiritual. Not spiritual, what's the word? Festive? Don't know. I need to get packaging tape. Obviously, I'm gonna check out the Christmas decor. I'm gonna finish eating this and probably get more, you know, cheese, lettuce, whatever, ham in my hair. But it's fine. This is what I came for. And when I said minimal, this is what I meant. I blacked out. I don't even know what's in here. I want to know what I appreciate though, is that girl at the Target register, she didn't even tell me my total. She just told me how much money I saved. And that's what I like to hear, because I don't like when I go to Target and spend, I don't know, $242 and then they say it so loud that I feel like everyone can hear the total, like pipe down. But this girl, she was different. She didn't even tell me how much, because she knew that I didn't want to know. Because I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need to know. I already know. I know, believe me. I know. Just walking through Walmart. Let me just show you who I found. This is an imposter. This is not the real Santa. He's not tall enough. He has a different face. That is not the real Santa Claus. Not it. That is not it, man. Forgot how good that song was. Now I'm here at Big Lots. Do not sleep on Big Lots, you guys. They have some really good, you know, decorations for Christmas and like kind of other times, but I'm gonna go see what they have. I think that these are like motion activated. No? I thought they were. No? Okay, never mind. Oh yes, yes, yes. This isn't really my theme, but everything is still so pretty. So I'm home now. I just got done working out and now I'm going to make dinner. So I wanted to show you guys a recipe that I like to do. It is a chicken pot pie, and I don't know why, but I freaking love chicken pot pie. Like I always have. I just love it. So I'm going to show you guys the recipe that I make. So right now I have all my ingredients out. I just chopped up. This is like a, what do they call it, mirepoix mix. And it's just basically carrots, onion, celery, all like diced up. I think I have more than I need, but I would say this is probably like 2 cups. You probably only need like 1.5 cups or so. Then I'm just poaching some chicken breast, which you can cook the chicken any way you want. You just want like shredded chicken or like cut up chicken that you can use inside the chicken pot pie. And also a little hack. I have chicken broth right now, but like if you don't have chicken broth, like if you're out for some reason and you want to make this, if you just poach the chicken and reserve the water that it's boiling in, you can use that as like stock. Like it's not going to be as flavorful, but I always put like a bunch of seasonings in the water like when I'm poaching it. So I know, just like a little tip. And if you don't know how to like boil chicken, like you just literally just boil it. So I'm doing that. And so here are the ingredients. Obviously you need a pie crust. This is just Pillsbury. You can make your own like if you're super ambitious and cool. I am not. So like I said, chicken broth, and then whatever seasonings you like. I like this Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. I put Lowry's and literally everything if you like watch my recipe videos before. Flour, a splash of white wine, and then like milk, cream, whatever you got. This is like the only like milk or cream we currently have, so I'm just gonna add like a splash of that, you know, salt and pepper, some butter. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just gonna throw this butter, I think this is like 3 or 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna let it melt, and once it's melted, I'm gonna throw all of that in there. This is a disaster, me trying to do this with one hand. Ah, no! All right, so after a few minutes, maybe like 3, 4, 5 minutes. Once the onions start to get translucent, you're gonna add in the chicken. Then I'm gonna take like a 1/4 cup of flour and just kind of like sprinkle it over everything. Then you want to just stir so everything is like coated, and this is like what's gonna like thicken everything up and make it like gravy like, you know. So I just let that cook for like a minute until like the flour is like all cooked down. Then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of chicken broth. And then I'm just gonna add a splash of white wine because I just like the flavor that it gives. I don't know, a splash. And then, you know, this is a nice Sauvignon Blanc that my friend Brooke left at my house. So thank you, Brooke, for sponsoring this meal. You're gonna want to let that like come to a bubble so it can get nice and thick. So I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit. All right, so once it starts to thicken up, I'm gonna add my seasonings. Some of this, it has like thyme and rosemary in there, so it's like a nice like pot pie flavor. And then I'm just gonna add a few cracks of black pepper. And if you want it a little bit more creamy, you can use any milk or cream that you like. It just makes it a little bit creamier, so I'm just gonna add like a dash. And if it ever gets like too thick, you can add like more milk or more broth. Pour it in my pie pan. Oh yeah, look at that, very full. I think I put too much vegetables, but it's fine. All right, so then just take your pie crust. So I just lay it on there. Put it over the edges, and then I'll just take my fork and just kind of vent it a little bit. I feel like Snow White, you know, when she's making the pies. And you can go like this if you want to be fancy, but I just don't really care about being fancy because who's seeing this? Nobody. Nobody cares. Ah, it's off-centered though. And then we're gonna do an egg wash. So I'm just like taking an egg, mixed some water with it, and this just makes the crust get like shiny and golden. Where is my paintbrush? So then you just take your egg wash and you just, you know, slather it up. And I think this is the main reason why I like chicken pot pies, because I freaking love pie crust. Like, it's just, I could just eat it just on its own. Just gonna put it in the oven for 375 for like 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is like looking brown. Like, watch it so it doesn't turn black, but usually like 25 minutes is good. So yeah, that is the whole recipe. I will show you guys when it comes out, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys aren't like really upset with me or mad or anything like that for this being, you know, the year without a Vlogmas. The year without a Santa Claus, the year without a Vlogmas. I'm sorry. I hope you guys understand. I think that most of you will, but like I said, I still will be doing some vlogs. I just am not going to commit to the daily thing. So, Rosie look like a pot pie. Here is the end result. I could have waited longer to have it be more brown, but I'm starving, so that's gonna be it. Presentation is key. That's it.